My name is Sergeant Sparks with the 940th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron. I am a crew chief here on the flight line for KC-135 refueling aircrafts, and I lead the wash, lube, and HBO programs where we conduct inspections and where we wash and corrosion prevention and then lubricate the aircraft. It's a standard 6-month in between each washes for all the jets, and our job is to ensure to meet those 6 month requirements and meet them ahead of time. If we don't wash the jet within that 6-month period, the jet is technically grounded and it's not allowed to fly. The wash consists of first covering up all assets that can't get water damage to them, such as the angle of attacks or certain air sensors, making sure our inlets and exhausts on our engines are covered, taping up access doors to make sure excessive water won't get in from high pressure hoses. The washing's main job is corrosion prevention. So that is the main job of the soap that we use, is to prevent rust and corrosion and pitting and anything like that from setting in. The first thing we do is spray the jet down with soap, then we scrub it by hand, or we use pole scrubbers to scrub the jet on the fuselage portion. On the wings, we use a combination of soap, scrubbing, and high pressure hot water because the skin of the wings are thicker and can take a higher pressure volume of water on them. After we rinse it off, we have to go through the wings and the wheels and pretty much all the critical areas where there's flight controls moving or any surfaces moving, and re-lubricate all of those surfaces because we just washed off all the lubrication. We schedule out and set aside 3 days for a wash, and from the moment we start the wash, we have 72 hours to complete the lube. It takes a team of 4, 2.5 days to complete a wash. At the completion of the wash, we have to vacate the hangar because it's a shared asset. So we tow the aircraft back, which we're prepping to do right now, and we'll tow it out and tow it back on the flight line back to its spot, and it could be ready for a launch tomorrow.